Hi, today I'm going to be tearing down this computer. It's a working computer, and my job is to tear it down and rebuild it. It's a working computer. Cancer. Graphics card. 2. The Intel Core processor is doo-doo. So the big problem would be how this is stuck already to the motherboard. We'll probably have to get a new motherboard. Power supply, this would be pretty interesting. Okay, we're looking at a modular power supply because it looks like we can unplug the cables. Yeah, well, just by looking at this, I can just tell it's a potato computer. It doesn't have a graphics card. It's Intel doesn't even have, I don't even know if it's an i3, i5, or an i7. Look, just by the look of it, it looks like it's not even 2 cores.
Okay. What's the next step?
That was cool. I don't know how much it is.
What is it?
It's RAM, but I don't know what. The only thing chipset.
What do you see?
I can see that here's the hard drive, and I can see that here's the disk drive.
What are you pulling out of there?
The hard drive.
Ready to come out? Take it.
So
Pull the hard drive.
here it is. Oh my god, like when did I tell you when this thing was made?
2000 what?
8.
You nailed it?
Read it.
Nailed
It's
it.
2008. Go in, sucker.
Okay, E-Man, you started to tear apart your first computer.
Yes.
Tell me what you think. What happened? What'd you feel?
It felt good. I mean, I learned more about the hard drive. Although it was good. First generation. Now it's just a potato computer. But the only big problem that I found is that the RAM doesn't have labeling. So I know it's Kingston. I don't know from where, from who, from where, and not even how much it is. Hard drive was another problem. When we mounted this stupid thing, I needed to do trick shots to nail the screw inside of the hard drive.
So in your opinion, the mechanics of the box isn't the most favorable for a highly qualified technician?
It sucks.
Or you need better tools?
Yeah, that also.
Okay. So can we turn this into a beast or not?
No.
No chance.
I mean, we need to upgrade hardly everything. One, the case isn't made for it because first it doesn't have that much air in, and the fans, now gaming fans are a lot wider than this.
And you need a wider fan for what?
No, you need not a wider fan because that airs out the computer. Also, it doesn't have that much space to air out. This, that, this, and that.
Okay. So in your opinion, this computer is what kind of computer?
It's a potato computer.
Yeah, and that's for what? Productivity or for gaming?
Yeah, it's for productivity.
All right. Okay. Nice work.